fantastic.
City lights blink like stars on the ground. Wheels spinning fast, no time to slow down.
4 times faster than the speed of sound.
Breeze is sharp, it cuts through the dark. Street signs flash, they whisper my name. The rhythm of tires is fueling the flame.
A few moments later.
Wheels, they glow, they shine, rolling through the midnight light. Who needs a map when the moon's your guide? Pedal fast to feel alive.
Blinding lights, the weekend.
ಬಾ ರಾತ್ರಿ 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬಿಸಿಲು, ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕುಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶೇಡ್ಸಲ್ಲ
Yellow lines race like snakes in the night. Every shadow feels alive and bright. The hum of the city is our only tune. Lanterns swing like they're dancing with me. The road ahead is a mystery. Neon wheels, they glow, they shine, rolling through the midnight light. Who needs a map when the moon's your guide? Pedal fast to feel Wheels hum a song beneath my feet. Street lights blink in rhythm, a steady beat. The night whispers secrets I'll never repeat. A chill in the air, it feels bittersweet. Stars wink, they're in on the plan. A quiet world, no crowd, no man. Gliding through the dark, the city's asleep. Riding where the shadows run deep. Moonlit chase, I'm alive, I'm free. keeps time. Every pedal's a poem.
Because you know what? No matter how many times I get hit,
The stars are my compass, the moon my guide. I've left the world behind, nowhere to hide.
A few moments later.
The streetlights hum like tired bees. A breeze whispers secrets through the trees. Wheels spinning, time stands still. The night feels heavy, but the air's a thrill. Every shadow bends and sways, chasing ghosts of yesterday. Pedal slow, let the world unwind through the dark where stars align. Tired legs, but my soul can glide on this moonlit endless ride. A dog barks distant, a lonely sound. My tires crackle on gravel ground. The roads are ribbon black and white, pulling me where dreams collide.
2,000 years later.
Corner hides a tale. Every heartbeat leaves a trail. Pedal slow, let the world unwind through the dark.
For those of you who might be switching over from other channels, welcome.